6, 7 input supply AC, 1 and 3 vibrator connection, 11 plus 12 G1, G2, G3, totally NPN or PNP proximity sensor connections. Input supply AC input supply 1 and 3 vibrator connection, sensor NPN sensor, proximity sensor, capacity sensor. NPN brown positive 12 volt, 11 and 12 short, brown wire, black output, blue ground, sensor ground, so F14, G2 output, sensor output 13, G1 and 11 12 volt input, short wire 11 and 12. Okay, off on remote. Now supply on, come to pass, on off, set password 25. Right. Mode, start, action, enable, time 0, stop time 0, low 0, high 80, stop, set normal value 10 or 15, stop, shut down the controller, then on, start, now sensor will be on.